a free install for free, for free. Shanae 767, what's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed and wonderful holiday season. Today is day number 14, so day number 14 of Vlogmas. Oh my god, thank you so much. I really appreciate the feedback, love and support that you guys giving me throughout my Vlogmas and my first Vlogmas ever on YouTube, and also my first time I'm home in Dominica for over 10 years now. So I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really enjoying being a part with my family. Now, because of that, I'm finally going to have my last giveaway ever. Well, actually, no, it's not my last giveaway ever, of course. This giveaway is basically my last giveaway that I'm having in Dominica, because very soon I'm going back home to Trinidad. So I finally decided to give my one last giveaway for you guys here in Dominica. You wanna see what I got? It's a lot of stuff in here. Don't make the bag fool you. It is stuff in there. It is stuff in there. She buff, okay? She is buff. And before we go on, I have a top on, guys. Yeah, I have a top on. I'll show you what I have for my giveaway, and after I will let you know what you need to do in order to participate in my giveaway. All right? So I tell you, she is buffing here. Are you seeing that? She is buff. All right, so the first thing I have, you will be getting a beauty blender. The next thing you will be getting, of course, because you guys know how much I love glitter and pigment products. I have to give something to represent me, you know what I'm saying? So you'll be getting 2 NYX glitter. Hold on, glitter pigment. This one right here, this one is 02 from NYX, and this one is just the pigment from NYX in 05. So you'll be getting 2 NYX, 1 fine glitter and 1 pigment. Then you're getting a Kat Von D liquid lipstick right here. I was in 2 minds. I don't know what color to get you, but since it's a giveaway and I don't know who the winner is going to be, I need to get something where anybody can wear. So that's why I choose this color from Kat Von D. And then you'll be getting the NYX Professional Makeup Love So Highlight palette. So if you're upcoming makeup artist or you're just looking for a highlight palette of different tone, then this palette should work for you. As you can see, I can't open it to show you because it's sealed. And this one is called Lit Life. This highlight palette right there. All right, so the next thing you'll be getting is the Ruby Kiss blush palette, and this one is called Sweet Chicks palette. So you're not getting 1 blush, you're getting 4 blush, girl. You're getting 4 blush. Anyway, then this palette is for you. You're getting 4 different blush palettes to work with 4 different skin tone. So this is amazing, and my advice for upcoming MUA is better to work with palettes than single, because you have a variety of choices to work with. And you'll be getting a Ruby Kiss 3D Contour Artist palette, and this palette is amazing. You have your, I'm trying to get the lighting because my lighting is really bad. So you'll be getting basically a concealer, contour and corrector. So you have everything in one palette for you if you're just starting up as a makeup artist, or if you want to practice how to contour, correct and conceal, then this palette is definitely for you. So this is what you'll be getting in your giveaway, and it's sealed, so I cannot open up to show you, so I'm leaving it sealed. The next thing you'll be getting is the ColourPop Gimme Night Press Powder Palette from ColourPop, and this one you'll be getting Golden Gate Bridge, Manhattan Coffee Run, The Hidden Hills, and Moscow Sunrise from ColourPop. Now this has been out for a while now, but it's such a beautiful color that I have to give you. You see how beautiful that is? This is great for weddings, every day, or if you're not a makeup person, then this eyeshadow palette is definitely for you. And I'm so happy to get this eyeshadow palette because sometimes the winner is not a makeup person, but they love natural and neutral everyday eyeshadow palette. So I'm very happy to get my hands on this. So the next thing you'll be getting is, I'm telling you, there's a lot of stuff in there. All right, so you'll be getting a lip gloss from Deep Within Beauty. Now I do a whole unboxing and reviews about this product from Dominica. I'm going to put a time card on top so you can go check her out. And you're not getting one, you're getting like 2, 4, 6. You're getting 6 sample size lip gloss. Six, girl, you'll be getting 6 of this lip gloss. And then I'm just going to open and put the label at the back so you'll get a proper look. Look at this, look at what you'll be getting. And this container look empty. At first when I saw it, it looked empty, but there is lip gloss in there, guys. There's lip gloss in this container, so don't you worry. And then you'll be getting all her line, Ensure, Crispy, Yola, and the clear one, and there's a lip applicator. And then what I put at the back is her business card from Deep Within Me. 6 lip gloss you're getting. The next thing you'll be getting is from LASH 767. So both LASH 767 and Deep Within Me is 2 of the pages that you need to follow to participate in my giveaway. So you'll be getting a lash from 767, you'll be getting the lash applicator, the mascara one, you'll be getting a lip gloss in coconut lip gloss. And then you'll be getting also a lash glue from her as well, her business card and candy. And this is the lash you'll be getting in 39. Now I try to make her lashes as natural as possible because some clients in Dominica, they don't like dramatic lash. They like lash as natural as possible. So that's why I asked her, I just want a lash as natural as possible but fluffiness. So this is the lash that we both decided to get. So you'll be getting all this, girl, all this you'll be getting. And the next thing you will be getting is a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Now I purchased this palette over a year ago. They was having the Black Friday sale 2019, and ever since I got this palette I never even used it. The most I do was swatch from it, but I never touch it to do any makeup application on myself or clients. So I say, why I have this palette just there and never use? Better I give it as a giveaway because I know you guys will use this palette. And I love Juvia's Place a lot. Their product is really amazing. It's great for women of color. They always have sale. This brand always has sale on their site, and the eyeshadows are really pigmented and beautiful cover. So that's why I'm excited to give this as part of my giveaway. And this is what it looks like. And let me give you up close. As you can see, never been touched. Only I swatch this, and that's it. But this is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's a really beautiful eyeshadow palette, or you can use it as a blush palette as well. But this is what you'll be getting as my giveaway. Right, so the next thing and final thing. All right, so you'll be getting the LA Girls Break Free eyeshadow palette. It looks like this, and it's the Elegant Break Free eyeshadow palette. Is 16 color eyeshadow palette. It's Dreamy, Hope, Free, New Beginning, Rise, Glow, Queen, Sunset, Radiant, Mocha Rich, Windman, Beauty, Wonder, Escape, Strong, and that's the eyeshadow palette you'll be getting. That's the name of the eyeshadow that I just read for you. Now let me open it up. It comes with a mirror, and this is the eyeshadow. Are you seeing how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Now what I like about this eyeshadow palette, let me just hold it up, it will be upside down. It comes with a stick. I don't want to unstick it. So this is the eyeshadow palette right here. They had like a lilac and purple, a lilac purplish looking one, which is only mostly that was the color, and I really wanted to get that color, but at the same time the winner maybe might not like too much of that color, or basically only when they wanted that particular look they have to reach for that eyeshadow palette. I want to get a palette where it's reachable all the time, so this is great for everyday, weddings, smoky, nighttime, you just name it. Or if you're somebody who's not a fan of color eyeshadow, then this palette is definitely for you. So I want to get this palette as reachable as possible, so that's why I was very happy to get my hands on this eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's really beautiful. I want to take out the plastic on it, but it's really sealed on there, so I don't want to play with it too much, and my lighting really actually spoiling it, but I'll show you the picture of it. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. So this is what the color look like. It is so beautiful. Really beautiful eyeshadow palette. I feel like I should get one for myself. It's amazing. The bonus. Yes, the bonus. So the bonus is basically you will be winning a free install featuring Grace and Glamour. So if you have any units that you have and you're looking for someone to install it, Grace and Glamour is offering a free install for free. For free. Grace and Glamour is offering a free install, and wait, it only get better. Free. A free install from Chanel 767. I did good. This is really amazing giveaway. It's my last giveaway for Dominica, and I'm really happy to give this to you all because you guys make me who I am. That's how I feel. So I'm really happy about that. So now the rules and how and what you have to do to take part in my giveaway. You have to be living in Dominica. You have to be a Dominican, period, to take part in this giveaway. If you're not living here and you're here on vacation and you take part and you're here, then I will have to give you your gift in your hand. So it's a Dominican giveaway, all right? Because it's my last giveaway that I'm having for Dominica before I go back home. Okay, so that's number one. And number two, you have to like the post, then you have to follow my page, Grace and Glamour, LASH 767, and Deep Within Me. And also you have to tag 3 best friends to take part in my giveaway. Now I have to check if they are really following me to take part in my giveaway. You're just gonna tag and then or follow and then that's it. No, I have to check all these first before I put you in the deep. Now another thing is that I'm having a raffle, so I literally going to cut the names live for you guys to see. Cut the names, put it in the deep, shake the box, and have someone in my family choose the name, because I want to make this giveaway as legit as possible. So that is it. And oh, I forget. So how I'll be announcing the giveaway, announce it on 2 live. The first is the Instagram live and a YouTube live. So you're going to, if you're on Instagram and you're on YouTube at the time, you cannot miss the announcement. It's either Instagram or YouTube. pick one. So I'll be having 2 live for that day to announce my giveaway. It starts now December 14 and December 17 at 6 p.m. and then announcements will be made on YouTube and Instagram live at 12 noon. So you have to be live to see which one. If you're not live on if you're not active on Instagram, you're live on YouTube, you know, so you cannot miss the live. So the announcement will be made on December 18 at 12 noon. So look out for that, and I'm really happy and I wish you all the best. I hope you guys win. I wish I could give each and every one of you that participate, but yay. Until next time, my beautiful people, peace, love always. Bye.